Hello guys, today I've got the REALME C75 and I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not work. So, at first, I need to know what microphone you have plugged in. If you mean the default phone's microphone, go further in the video. But if you mean the plugged-in microphone, like in the charging port, you need to try to clean charging port first, or try changing the adapter you have this microphone plugged in. There are no microphones, I think, on the USB Type-C port. They're on usually jack port or USB Type-A. And if you use an adapter, you need to try to, replace these adapters. Try something new or something like that. This should make the issue disappear. If it won't actually make the issue disappear. If it don't make the issue disappear, we need to go in further. But at first, now it's for all the microphones, like this default and non-default. Go to the application in your device, a voice recorder, and just try to record your voice. Here you can tap down low, and here now, as you can see, it works. If your does work too, that's nice. It may not work during only calls or just in your only application you want to use it. So check for the permissions of this application, check if the microphone permission is granted, and check if your microphone works in other application, not only here the voice recording application. Now here, let me tap save it. Here, save. And what else can you do? Open the settings. Here, open the sounds and vibration. And here, as you can see, where is it? I need to find it. I think it's here. Here, more default device. Tap it. And now here, if you want to, record the sound using your microphone of your phone, tap this device. But if you want to record the sound from a separate microphone, here you need to tap external device when available. And that should be it actually for this section. And apart from that, you can try to scroll the way down to the system update, tap software update, and here check for updates. If you have any updates, update your phone to fix microphone bugs if there are any. And if after the software update nothing works, your microphone doesn't work still, you need to contact the device support to have your device completely fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.